Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for students. I'll be showing you how to create your account and join your teacher's class with a class code. So let's get started. In the address bar of your browser, type in ellii.com/students. Once on the Ellii Students page, click I'm New. For help in other languages, look at the bottom of the screen and click the language to see the translation beneath the English text. To continue with your email, click the Create Account button, or you can use the Google or Clever options if they apply to you. Once you've chosen how you'd like to sign up, enter the class code that was given to you. When you see your teacher's name appear, click the blue Next button at the bottom. Enter your first and last name and then click the blue Next button at the bottom. Enter your email address, then click the blue Next button at the bottom. Enter a password of at least 8 characters. And don't forget to click the blue Next button at the bottom. Once all of your information is entered, you'll get a summary of your account information, as well as the class you're entering. At the bottom, don't forget to agree to Ellii's terms and privacy policy by checking off the box, then clicking Join Class at the bottom of the screen. This will log you into your new account, where you can click the class to see what your teacher has assigned and begin working on the lessons. That's it for this video on how to sign up as a student using a class code. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy learning!
Ellii.